Yo, it's Randy. Just wanted to pop in today, one, to let you guys get used to hearing my voice a little bit. Got a lot more content to make, and I'm finally getting in the groove to where I'll be able to deliver that the way I want to. So stay tuned. And two, to say thank you. The past couple of months, I've been making these videos just about every day. I think I may have missed maybe 4 days. And what you guys don't realize is that this has been a journey of rediscovery for me. Woke up a couple of months ago, looked in the mirror, and all I could see was a melted candle, and I wasn't happy with that. So I decided to start making these videos to keep myself accountable and to practice video editing every day. I was never gonna share them, but I figured if I'm gonna put in all of this work, I might as well put it out, and I'm glad I did. Without y'all's support and cheering me on and asking questions and just showing me some love, man, I don't even think that I would be back to a point to where I feel like myself. And I say all of this because we're all going through a lot. We're all dealing with stuff. We're all dealing with depression and anxiety and a lot of different things. But I'm here to tell you today that once you figure out what makes you happy and how you can get through it, as long as you stay consistent, it'll happen for you. I'm living proof. Another thing, all of these videos are now gonna be on YouTube. Got a little more freedom in how I can put the descriptions in and all of that on YouTube. So if you guys wanna do the workouts that I do, I'm gonna make sure that every single one, starting next week, has a detailed description. Also, to all of my people in Panhandle Fitness, thank you guys for the support. I got a lot of good content coming specifically to that group, to include collaborations with local trainers and trainers anywhere. And just because you're not in the Panhandle doesn't mean you can't be a part of the group. I want you guys to get in there and just start interacting with each other so that we can share knowledge and answer each other's questions and really truly build a community based on fitness that does not feed anybody's ego. All right? Thank you again, and it's time to work out.